Hello, hello. All right, so I'm working with a 20 by 20 inch canvas. It's a gallery wrapped canvas, 1.5 inches deep. I'm just popping the air bubbles from the mixed paint. There is a lot of them because I mixed with a egg beater. So, with that said, we are going to do a dustpan style ring pour. So put that there. Clean up my edges a bit here because I flooded my canvas with Payne's Gray. All right, let's put that to the side. Hi, Mimi. I've got my good old dustpan. And the colors I'm using are the same as yesterday's pour. I have 24K gold by DecoArt, equal parts Floetrol to paint. I have been trying out 2 new paints. It's called the Treasure Gold series by Folk Art. This is Fire Opal and this is Aquamarine, both metallic colors. So they looked really lovely in the piece I did last night or the day before, and we're just gonna keep with it because it was pretty. And it dried nicely for the most part at this point. It's just got a little more drying time on its belt to go, and then it'll be ready to show. All right, so we're gonna layer the cup. This is my white, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. And I'm gonna go with the gold. Equal parts Floetrol to paint. The new metallic aquamarine. I'm actually gonna hold on. This is, we're gonna jump right to the Prussian blue. Mixed 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. It is a golden color. By golden, it's a heavy body paint. Just trying to think and talk at the same time. Not being very successful, clearly. All right, so I'm gonna come in right here with the Fire Opal, which is just a radiant color. And I'm gonna go gold, some white, gold again, and the Fire Opal, because I'm digging it. I'm keeping the white separate from the other colors because I want it to show up and I don't want it to turn to a lighter color. Yesterday's I got a lot of pink in it from the copper and the white mixing together, so I'm trying to keep the gold in there as a barrier to the colors. I'm just using up the rest of this. Gold. Put that to my side. All right. So I'm gonna do my ring pour. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of white in there like I did yesterday. I don't think it's really necessary. I thought it would sort of help with the flow of everything. That's an accident waiting to happen. But I want to keep it as consistent with yesterday's pour. And we're going to do a ring pour right in the shovel. I say shovel, but it's a dustpan, so. Right there. I'm really trying to figure out which side I want to go on, so I think I'm gonna do it this way. Let it drop right over the edge. I like it a lot. So, come over here and get some of this in here. And I'm going to start by torching before I forget. Yeah, I don't want to use that one. I'm going to use this one. That'll do for now. And get my scraper stick. Okay, so we're gonna tilt just a bit. Keep it just like that. And we're going to come down. Gives it that nice drip effect. like this piece. Just in case I haven't already said that. So, get go this way again, just a bit. Get everything moving, and then I'm gonna go back. One last trip. All right. So come back, scrape over here. Now we're gonna torch one more time. I'm just talking to myself and walking everybody through this at the same time, so. So I'm not going to do a companion piece for this one. I didn't use nearly as much paint in my cup as I usually do. So what we're going to do is bring you in for a close-up after I get the drips, of course. All right. It's just beautiful. Let's torch it, see what it looks like. I'm loving it. Torching really didn't do anything, but I love the cells in this area. Anywho, all right, let's put that over here. This paint is quite thinner than the paints I usually use. But they aren't so thin that they don't hold their lines, which is really important. So, all right, I'm gonna bring you guys in. Just a second. I just wanna get that all lined up so I don't have to touch it after I take my gloves off. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in. All right. Here you go. Okay guys, that is it for tonight. There we go, now you're focused. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video. I do have a PayPal me link in the video description if you so choose to donate to the arts and my cause of bringing you beautiful pieces of artwork. I hope you have a wonderful day. You can contact me for sales and any questions that you might have. Bye for now.